I'm Brian Foley from the California State University, Northridge. I'm part of a team of faculty that is working to improve science education through the use of something we call computer-supported collaborative science. One of the ways in which we've been providing support for teachers is to provide laptops that they can use in a science class. That way they don't have to go down the hall to the computer lab in order to access their cloud. The HP Catalyst project has given us a grant to supply laptops to the teachers. This is one of our mobile computing labs where we have a set of laptops that enables each student group to have their own computer and access the cloud to store their data on. These computers get sent out to classrooms for a month at a time so that they can work on projects while they need them. This project really took its genesis a couple years ago, where we started to see the potential of using something called cloud computing in the classroom.
Computer-supported collaborative science, CSCS, is a teaching methodology that uses collaborative web-based resources to engage all learners in the collection, analysis, and interpretation of individual data in the context of whole class data. CSCS fosters scientific inquiry by using collaborative online resources to assess prior knowledge, collect and analyze student ideas, data, and comments, and provides instructors the opportunity to perform continuous formative assessments to inform and reform their own instruction. CSCS turns hands-on classroom activities into more authentic scientific experiences, shifting the focus from cookbook data collection to thoughtful data analysis.
During a CSCS lesson, students are engaged with both the technology and the science content presented. When using CSCS, teachers are able to work with all students and quickly pick out misconceptions mid-lesson. The electronic storage of data in the cloud makes lessons easily retrieved and shared. The parent response to CSCS has been equally receptive, as one parent stated, "My son enjoyed logging in and doing the work. At one point, he called me at work and I logged in and he and I were reading the same questions together. He thought it was so cool that we could be looking at the same document at the same time." Computer-supported collaborative science is a welcome, helpful, and educationally sound addition to any inquiry-driven science classroom.
Since the inception of the CSCS project at Cal State Northridge, faculty, credentialed students, master's students, and in-service teachers have developed more than 100 content-rich, collaborative, cloud-based lessons to address content standards in biology, chemistry, physics, and earth and space science. Teachers traditionally introduce the concepts of density and buoyancy through definitions and laws, and require their students to verify the principles that they have been taught by working in lab groups of 2 or 3 students. By contrast, CSCS is an inquiry approach in which students discover principles by examining entire class data in the context of a cloud-based environment. In this example, students are asked to predict whether blocks of a particular substance will sink or float in water. After students enter their data through online forms, they see their predictions in the context of the predictions of their peers. Students then test combinations of blocks and record their observations. After data collection is complete, students generate a graph to see their data in the context of data collected by their classmates. The abundance of data allows students to see patterns that could not be seen in any one set of student data. Students note that the tendency of a block to float or sink is dependent upon its mass to volume ratio, and thereby learn the concept of density by inquiry. In the process, students gain experience in numerous dimensions emphasized in the next generation science standards. This is a characteristic of all CSCS lessons.
So far, the CSCS project has been working with local teachers in the North Los Angeles area, but we're putting our training materials online to enable teachers in lots of different places to be able to use these tools in their classroom. We feel that computer-supported collaborative science is a technique that is easily adaptable to all sorts of curriculum and textbooks and subject matter even. So far, our project has been working with teachers in the local area to improve their science teaching. But as we learn more about computer-supported collaborative science, we'll be able to further develop our training materials and put them online so that teachers everywhere can use them in their classrooms. We're working with other groups in order to test out CSCS in different environments and to do research on its effectiveness to see how these tools can best be used to improve student learning. If you'd like to learn more about computer-supported collaborative science at Cal State Northridge, please go to our website on the screen here and feel free to contact us. We look forward to hearing from you.